In this video, we talk about the Realme GT5 Pro versus Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $999, and the Realme GT5 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $600. The dimension is same, and the weight of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus and the Realme GT5 Pro, have same weight, 225 gram and 224 gram. The build of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus and the Realme GT5 Pro, front and back glass and the aluminium frame. It comes with dual SIM support. The display of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus, come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same, and the resolution of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 1260 by 2720 pixels, and the Realme GT5 Pro have 1264 by 2780 pixels, and the PPI density, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 440, and Realme GT5 Pro have 450, and the refresh rate, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 120Hz refresh rate, and the Realme GT5 Pro have 144Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 88.5% and the Realme GT5 Pro 92%. The protection of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have Huawei Kunlun Glass 2, and the Realme GT5 Pro have Gorilla Glass. And the screen brightness, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 300,000 nits peak brightness, and the Realme GT5 Pro have 4,500 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have triple camera setup, the main sensor 48 megapixel, 40 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's for 4K 60 fps video. And the Realme GT5 Pro also have triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's got 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with dual selfie camera, 13 megapixel and TOF 3D biometrics, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera. The platform, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with octa-core Tizen big CPU, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Kirin 9000S 7nm chipset, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. The GPU, the Realme GT5 Pro come with Adreno 750 and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus with Melon 910. And the operating system, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with Android 14. The memory of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 16GB of RAM, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. And Huawei supported nano memory card. And the battery of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 5000 mAh battery, and the Realme GT5 Pro come with 5400 mAh battery. The charging, the Realme GT5 Pro come with 100 watt fast charging, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 88 watt fast charging. The both mobile come with 50 watt wireless charging, and also come with 5G network. And common and the feature is same. And let's talk about the result of these devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus score 20 points, and the Realme GT5 Pro got 22 points.